We're here at 136 North San Mateo in San Mateo. Older National. Wow. This is big. This is gonna have a nice motor.
Yes, it might open right to a desk though.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Wow, that motor. Yeah, this thing is huge. 4,000 pound capacity.
This is a really nice older National.
It's got the universal with metal contacts. Otis phone. Oh look, it's got the, look at this. Built with quality and pride by Innovation Industries.
I haven't seen that.
Yeah. These older universal panels usually have that. You wanna go to 2?
Yeah, that
P2.
works.
Oh, level fast that.
No chimes.
Yeah, it chimes. It's just really quiet.
I always like these arrows. Just opens outside.
Listen. I think this call station's disabled. Yeah, this call station's
Okay.
disabled.
Well, I'll let it right here. That'll be it.